Getting hit with unable to load information from the server in FC26 carrier mode? You are not the only one stuck at the loading screen. And yes, there is a way out. Let's fix that connection glitch and get you back on the pitch. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Today we are going to show you how to fix the bug in EA Sports FC26, the dreaded unable to load information from the server error in carrier mode. Whether you are mid-session or just starting it, we have got the top fixes to get you back in the game. Method 1. Check the EA game server status. The issue can also occur if the EA game server is down or under maintenance. So, you can check the EA server status from this link. If there is any issue on the server side, then wait till the server becomes up and live again. Method 2. Check the internet connection. Make sure you are connected to a stable internet connection to avoid network-related issues. You can check the internet speed from speedtest.net from another device provided it is connected to the same internet. If the internet connection is slow, then contact your service provider for help. You can also restart your router or modem and check if that works. Method 3. Flush DNS and reset WinSock. Type command prompt in the Windows search menu and choose to run command prompt as an administrator. Next, copy and paste these commands one by one in the elevated CMD window. Hit enter after each command. ipconfig/flush DNS, ipconfig/release, ipconfig/renew, netsh int ip reset, netsh winsock reset. Once you have finished running all the lines of commands, restart your computer. Method 4. Change DNS. You can also try changing the DNS and see if this can fix the error. To change DNS, open Control Panel using Windows Search. Next, set the view by option to small or large icons, select Network and Sharing Center. Now select your internet connection next to Connections. Then open its properties. Or you can select Change Adapter Settings. Then right-click on your internet connection and select its properties. Search for the Internet Protocol version 4, right-click on it and open its properties. Set the preferred DNS server address to 8.8.8.8 and the alternate DNS server address to 8.8.4.4. Click on OK and save the changes. You can also switch to the Cloudflare DNS server. For that, set the preferred DNS server address to 1.1.1.1 and the alternate DNS server address to 1.0.0.1. To save the changes, click on OK. Once done, restart your PC. Once the PC restarts, relaunch the game and see if the issue is fixed. Method 5. Update the network drivers. Outdated drivers can lead to connectivity issues while playing games. So you can update the network drivers and see if this can fix the issue. To do so, open Device Manager using Windows Search. Head to the Network Adapter section and expand it. Right-click on your network adapter and select the Update Driver option. Choose Search Automatically for the drivers option. Follow the on-screen instructions to finish the process. Method 6. Contact EA Support. If the method shown in this video could not fix the EA Sports FC26 unable to load information error, then you can reach out to EA Support for help. You can get in touch with live support through the official EA help site, or you can reach out via X, formerly Twitter, or Facebook for help as well if you prefer. And that's the game. Those were the best fixes for the server loading issue in FC26 carrier mode. If you are finally back to managing your squad, smash that like button and subscribe for more game-saving guides. Drop a comment below with the fix that worked for you. It might just help another player dodge hours of frustration. Thanks for watching Silicophilic, and we will see you next time with more tech tips and gaming fixes.